Got my first catfish ever through the...
We are doing the Isabel tournament today, and there are two different divisions. There's a panfish division and a northern pike division. The panfish division, you have to have 5 of your largest bluegill, crappie, and perch, and then the largest weight wins it, and then northern pike 3, your largest fish for those also will win that.
Got off, huh? Attaboy.
Well, we just got one in, and Brian thought he had a monster over there, but sadly we were tangled up.
Yeah, I guess it happens. I'm surprised the little perch actually got us all tangled up, but not a bad fish though.
Nope. Pulled it right out of his mouth.
Still there, or is it gone?
Nope, he's still there. He's gone now. Oh, like now, I already got him up. She would have loved this.
It's coming out the bottom like it did last time?
It did a little bit.
Too big, but it got.
Oh, it's a little perch.
Nice little perch, I guess, guys.
Good deal.
Everything works. Buddy. Little guy though. Not a bad fish. Jeez.
No, not bad.
Not better than I thought it was.
Got another bluegill, guys. Not a real big fish, but
Got him. Good one. That's a nice bluegill, guys. Real nice bluegill. Nothing better than a double.
exactly.
Oh, behind you, Sean.
Look at all those.
Gonna count all of our fish to make sure we're...
That's a decent gill.
a good old pike, boys and girls. This is awesome. Got him on a killer driller rig.
Ooh, another nice crappie.
Very nice crappie again. There we go.
Oh, that's a nice crappie.
You betcha. Good crappie. Hey guys, just finishing up here at Isabel's tournament. As you can see, we did pretty dang decent. Probably one of our better days, obviously, that we've had on the ice, and hopefully all the camera works out. And also got a pretty good sized pike too.
We threw a bunch back also.
As you can see, he's a little frosted up. He don't fit in a bucket very well, but that's the pike that I ended up getting today, and pretty decent day, I tell you. I don't know, probably one of my funnest days on the ice for a long time. So we'll let you guys know how it ended up going and go from there, guys. Thanks.
Well, guys, it just got over, and we ended up getting third in the pike division, and we were just out of third place in the panfish division by about 2 or 3 ounces. And then in the drawing, I ended up being able to get the JT custom rod, and Brian got a bag. And then for getting third place, we each got a shirt. So we did pretty good today. We actually did great today. All right, hope you guys enjoy.